Hey there! So as promised, I'm going to keep the machining separate from the update. So here's the update one, and we'll just talk about it. All right. So the first thing that I have here is Jesus. First thing I have here is heat brakes. Look at that! Look at that titanium! Look at that! Look at that! I'm going to talk more about that in the machining update. So I'm gonna be boring for you guys. All right. So the good news is we're running it. The better news is the machine says they'll be done running by Sunday, which means in reality they'll be done by Monday, because titanium is like basically the only material that I don't want to run overnight without me being here, because it could light a fire. Real cool. Anyways, so with the titanium running, I have contacted all my vendors for plating and for heat treatment, and they've confirmed that there's availability, that it can be done in under a week. So this is really important because there is a fair coming up, a RMRRF festival, Rocky Mountain RMRRF Festival, held in Loveland, Colorado, and yeah, we're going to that one. We go there. We went there since the beginning. It's our favorite event of the year, and we're really excited to bring all the cool stuff that we've been working on, including the Pikas and stuff like that there. So the reason I'm mentioning this, now again, I will confirm this specifically, okay? I will confirm this specifically. So this is not it till it is, but very good indications that things are gonna go this way. We will have them there for you to pick up if you are a backer, for you to buy more if you would like, and that includes both the bamboo and the snap maker, because the remaining parts for both of those after these heat brakes are done, because they're again same tool chain, is just the heat sinks, and those are made out of aluminum and require no treatment. So they're very fast, they're very easy, and material is down the road. I already have material here, so when these heat brakes are done, I will start working on heat sinks, and aluminum is brain dead easy. Okay? So that's good news. Other things is that we've been having a great time processing and sorting our nozzles. Finally, there is no, this was removed today, literally today, but finally we have all this stuff laid out. We have a counting scale so that we've been going through. We've been having a detailed washing and tumbling arrangements, all that kind of stuff. So the update is titanium's running right now. Maybe I'll upload the video from before that I forgot to upload. I shot one when all the nozzles were done. Oh yeah, and I had to make fixtures for the nozzles to get them coated in like the hard mill spray, which is really interesting, by the way. I'm kind of excited to try that out. But I got fixtures made, and when I was talking to the platers, or to the coaters technically, so I got these made to go in their machine, right? That does the spray on and it coats the nozzle, all that kind of stuff. So I got 2 of these made because there's like a few. And then I found out literally early this week, like Wednesday or something like that, that in order to coat the full run for a reasonable time frame and price, I needed 100 of them. So each one of these can hold 14 nozzles, and this is the maximum size that fits in their little machine that does this. So I needed 50 to 100 of them. So instead of these 2 beautifully machined things by a friend who's generous to give us his time, instead we're gonna be, I ordered 100 sheets from Suncut Send, and we're gonna be welding them to small little pucks, and then we're gonna send those off as well. So not only are we doing the nozzles, but I had to make the fixtures in order to get them properly coated. The electronickel plating, on the other hand, doesn't require any fixturing because they're magicians, or they bake it in the price, or both. I don't know. It doesn't really matter. So nozzles going good. Got plans. Got all this stuff. Heat brakes going good. When the heat brakes are done, heat sinks. As for assembly labor, I am blessed to have a large family, and the large family is always looking for ways to help. So we actually have all the labor we will need in order to do a complete blitz through all this stuff. So that is why that's why I mentioned Rocky Mountain RMRRF Festival as possible. We have the space to set up tables and to have people working and assembling and packing and all that kind of stuff, and all the other lead times, pending some massive oil shortage in the United States or something weird. I don't freaking know how that's going on right now, but things are going good. So I'm short, simple, sweet. There's your update for that. I'll yap about the machining stuff later, and we will make an announcement one way or the other on the specific timing of it, because that might save everybody some hassle. You can pick up your stuff there live, and we'll have access to give out and all that kind of stuff. So thank you so much for your patience. Man, I'm so happy that titanium's running. Fire risks are never fun. Thank you. Bye-bye.